dear Miss, if this is your first time of dropping by, please like and subscribe. You are my real VIP, and for the old subscribers, welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to apply and remove your contact lens. So many people find it very difficult to apply their contact lens. This because when I started applying my contact lens, it was a struggle. The struggle was so real, as in to apply it, to raise my hand and put it, everything was so complicated, guys. But I got this Fresh Stone Soft Cosmetic contact kit. The kit comes with a lot of package, the tweezers for pricking, the rubber tweezers for pricking your contact lens from the bottle to your case, and I don't even know what to call the other instruments where you put your contact lens and apply it to your eye. So guys, if you want to see how to apply and remove your contact lens, please keep watching. So guys, I'm using Fresh Stone Soft Cosmetic Contact Lens Kit. This is what is inside. It came with instrument for you to apply your contact lens in your eye. This is a rubber tweezers, and this, I don't know what to call this one. This is to remove the contact from your contact case and apply it to this one. Then this is the eye drop. After you remove your contact lens, you can apply the eye drop on it to remove any dirt in your eyes. Then this is the solution, guys. Then this is the contact lens, as indicates left and right. So when you remove your contact lens from your eye, you put the one from your right eye in here and the one from your left eye in here. And this is the contact lens, guys. This is the bottle the contact lens came in, and this bottle is gray. So the contact lens I'm going to be putting on this video is gray. I've never tried gray lens before, sure. We'll see how it goes. So guys, I just went ahead to whisk this case off camera with clean water. So I'm going to apply my solution. Then remove the contact from this bottle. You just have to remove it from here and put it in the case, the right side. Pick the other one and put it in the left case. So that's it. So guys, this is the instruments that I'm going to be using. I'm going to use these rubber tweezers to pick my contact lens from the case and apply it here, like so. Yeah, you have to place it well, like in a round shape, for it to be able to apply it on your eye. So like this. Then guys, you're going to use one hand to press your eye down and use the other one to raise it up and just apply. So guys, like so. So I'm going to apply the second one now. That is it, guys. So how is it, guys? This is gray, but it's gray. To me it looks like green. How is it on my face? To me it looked like green, but to me it looked like green. It's supposed to be gray though. I've never tried this one, but this one is really obvious, not like the ones I have. The ones I have is blue. It's not as sky blue as this, but this one is just soft. Got this right. Yeah guys, it's very easy step. Once you have your rubber tweezers, and I think I'll call this one the holder because I don't know the name to call it. I'll call it the contact holder. The tools you use in applying the lace. So when I started fixing contact lens, it was really difficult. I started it earlier this year because I was always scared of applying the contact. I was always scared if it is going to damage my hair and all that. But the first time I tried it, it was pretty awesome. It wasn't that bad. Since you have getting used to it, guys. Yep. I think I like this one. Is this green, or should I call it? It's supposed to be gray, guys, but it looks to me like green, just like my other one though. Maybe the next one that I'm going to buy, green. Let me see how green look like, because this one to me look like blue, not gray. Okay, let me show you guys how to remove the lens. So you pour your solution in the contact case, then your right and your left eye, then your tweezers. You are just going to stay still and pluck it out. Very easy, guys, very easy. So this one, I'm going to put it in my left case, then I'm going to remove the other one. Please guys, don't use the other tweezers, please use this one. So I'm just going to put it and off, pretty easy, and put it in my right eye case. So guys, applying a contact lens is pretty easy, guys. All you need are the tools in applying it. So once you apply, to remove it is the easiest way, guys. So guys, please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification button below so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a new videos. I'll be dropping videos Tuesday and Friday by God's grace, guys. So guys, please hit the notification button so you all be notified, guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on my next video, guys.